The topic we are going to see is scatter diagram. Okay, scatter diagram. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? See, it is diagrammatic. Okay, diagrammatic representation of bivariate data. Bivariate data. Okay, that is xy. Okay, bivariate data. A scatter diagram is a diagrammatic representation of bivariate data. Okay, so for example, if you take x variable, okay, x and y. So x value is 1, 2, 3, and in the y the value is 4, 6, 8. Okay, so uh, if we plot this values in graph, okay, in graph there is x and y. This is 1, 2, 3, and 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so one is 4, 6, 8. Okay, so this is called scatter diagram. Okay, so this diagram is called scatter diagram. Okay, because this diagram represents the bivariate data. Okay, so this data is called bivariate data. Okay, bivariate data, this one. Okay, so I'm representing this data in graph. Okay, so this is called scatter diagram. Okay, so based on this, what is the purpose of, okay, purpose of this is to find the, okay, the purpose of scatter diagram is to find the degree of relationship or correlation between variables. Okay, the purpose of this scatter diagram is to find the degree of relationship or correlation between the variables. Okay, for example, see, okay, for example, if the diagram is like this, okay, x, this is y. Okay, so if the diagram is like this, then we will say this is positive correlation. Okay, because here the x increases, then y also increases. Okay, the x increases, then y also increases in this diagram. So we will say this variable is positive correlated. Okay, this variable is positive correlated. Okay, positive correlated. Okay, so if the diagram is like this, okay, then we will see negative correlation. Okay, so negative correlation between variables, or variables are negatively correlated. See, because the x, okay, x increases, the y decreases. Okay, so in this diagram, okay, so we are saying negative correlation between the variables. Okay, so if the diagram is like this, here x, here y. Okay, so then we will say zero correlation. Okay, because if the x increases, okay, the y remains constant. Okay, the y remains constant. Okay, based on scalar diagram, we can find the relationship between variables. Okay, okay, whether it is positive correlation or negative correlation or zero correlation. Okay, so this is the purpose of this the diagram, scalar diagram. Okay, scalar diagram is purpose.